Are you still manually creating masks in Adobe After Effects? Well, here is a trick that can save you tons of time. With the help of an AI extension, you can generate masks automatically for both still images and videos with just one click. First, you'll need to install the AI Background Remover extension from Adobe Exchange. You can do this directly from the Creative Cloud desktop app or by going to the Adobe Exchange website. Once you've installed the extension, make sure to restart After Effects. Next, import your footage into After Effects and place it on the timeline. Then, open the AI Background Remover extension by navigating to Window, Extensions, AI Background Remover. In the extension panel, you'll see a few settings you can play with. Adjust the analysis quality to affect the analysis speed, and try selecting a medium quality. You can also adjust mask smoothing to determine how many points will be used for your mask. If you're looking to adjust the smoothness of your mask edge, you can modify the mask feather setting. Lastly, you can modify the model settings for better results. Use the body pose model for people in the background or further away, and the other models for close-up shots. If the subjects aren't properly detected, try modifying the sensitivity. Once you've set all your settings, select the layer in your timeline and click on Apply Effect. The analysis may take some time, but if it's taking too long, you can try lowering the analysis quality. And that's it. Say goodbye to hours of rotoscoping and tracking masks, and hello to more time for creating awesome videos. For more content like this, subscribe to this channel.